What's up, guys? We're back in another video, and today we're gonna be opening up Perfect Order. We're gonna start with like a couple packs. Let's open up this one. Okay. Let's get the code card and Fire Energy. Okay, so Amara, Hippopotamus, Hole Digging Shovel, Diggersby, Ratatata, Energy Swatter, Aromatis, Terragon, Pokeball, and upside down Dugong. Nice. Okay, let's open up next. Let's see if we can get something good. Okay, so let's see which one wins. Probopass, Dartrix, Honedge, come on, focus, Dedenne, Fletchling, Ariados, Haunter, Bunnelby, Aegislash, Core Memory, Talonflame, Klefki, okay, Meowstic, Aegislash, Lumiosity, Lumioscalet, Ratatatata, Mega Skarmory EX, and Probopass, Gengar, and code card. Our first hit. It's an EX. Okay. Let's leave this guy up. Let's look at that. Looks pretty good. Pretty good condition. Alright, so let's put that in the cool cards corner. Let's open up our next one. Let's open it up from the back. Let's see. Code card. Energy. Ooh, Yveltal EX. Nice. Okay. Amara. Servine. Rosa's Encouragement. Barbaracle. Jacinth. Salandit. Ghastly. Mawile. And Servine. So we got a Yveltal EX. Pretty cool. Let's leave that up. I'll put it in our Charizard sleeve because it just like fits. It's like the same color stuff. Let's put that in the cool card corner. And let's see if we can get a SIR or something cool like that. Snorlax. Pokeball. Esper. Scatterbug. Pavilion. Luxio. Energy Swatter. Raticate. Drapion. And Luxray. Come on, booster box. Staryu. Potion. Klefki. Rowlet. Rose's Encouragement. Pavilion. Lumiosity. Telepathic Energy. Nosepass. Pass on that. And Growing Energy. And another Leaf Energy. Okay. That just means that there's gonna be a God Pack in this one. Come on, God Pack. No God Pack. Pokemon Catcher, Nosepass, Snivy, Scorupy, Meowstic, Terragon. Doesn't mean that we're not gonna get something good. Drapion, come on, Seal. Ooh, I think I see something. No, Tyranitar. And code card. Alright. Let's pick one from the middle. Let's do this one. Alright. They should make like a Pokemon card pack opener or something like that. Tyrant. Like an easier way to open them. Servine. Clefairy. Lumioscalet. Raticate. Jacinth. Snivy. Scatterbug. And Telepathic Energy. Wow, I am not doing really good. Alright, that's fine. Perfect Order. I believe in you. No God Pack. I'm gonna do that from now on, just in case it's a God Pack. Binacle. Fletchinder. Staryu. Klefki. Talonflame. Drapion, Tarragon, Spinarch, Doublade. Ooh, Yveltal EX. I actually really like this card. Okay, Basic Energy and Code Card. So this is a really, really cool card. I like that one. Let's get the sleeves up in our color-coded sleeve. Pretty cool. It's like pretty clean. Alright, let's put that in the cool card corner. Definitely that one. Okay, this one is a little heavy, so let's see. Okay, so not God Pack. Okay, Seal, Shinx, Spinarch, Spitzy, Barbarcle, Naveen, Turtonator, Aurorus, Haunter, Superior. Alright, come on. This one's a little heavy. Let's see if we can get something good. Code card. Potion, so no God Pack. If there even is a God Pack, I'm not sure anymore. Amora, Hippopotamus, Diggersby, Naveen, Volcanion. Ooh, that's pretty cool. How's it water type? Okay, Snorlax, Crushing Hammer, and Lapras EX. Nice. And I think we did the code card. Yeah, we did. Okay, Lapras EX. Nice. Let's get this sleeved up. Okay, let's put that in the cool card corner. Alright, let's open up our next one. Code card. Doublade. Lucha. Spupia. Energy Search. Judge. Volcanion. Shaman. Rowlet. Finally, Aurorus. Okay, let's put that down there. Rocky Energy and Dark Energy. Okay. Get back here. Whoa, this is a really good card. Let's leave that. It's in pretty good condition. I think probably like 8.5 or something. Alright, that's good. Let's put that in the cool card corner. Alright, we'll finish up this side. A lot of packs. Let's get to it. Whole Digging Shovel. Dartrix. Honedge. Core Memory. Hippowdon. Judge. Haluja. Dedenne. And Aurorus. We just got you, but in a better thing. Alright, so let's open up the next pack. Haunter. Bunnelby, Pokemon Catcher, Nosepass, pass on that, Turtonator, Jackins, Shaman, Naveen, Meowstic, and Landorus. Alright, next one. This one's really heavy. I've been saying that for a lot of them. Okay, just in case it's like a God Pack or something. No, Ghastly, Crushing Hammer, Salandit, Scatterbug, Hippowdon. Ooh, Pokebad. I heard this was good. Cool. Okay. Aromatus, Luxio, and Tyrantrum. Actually, it's really funny. This is our first Pokepad. Put that on the other. Put that on the windshield for wacky, wonderful stuff. No. It's like trying to like give me a sneak peek, but I don't want a sneak peek. Snivy, Scruffy, Seal, Shinx, Lumioscalet, Luxio, Raticate, Jaw Fossil, Pokemon Catcher. Ooh, that's really good. But Mega Clefable. Oh, that's really good. Let's see. Okay, let's leave that up. There it is. Cool card corner. 2 more packs and we'll end the video. Hopefully we get an SIR or something. Snorlax, Esper, Probopass, Fossil, Luxio, Rosa's Encouragement. Come on, give me some encouragement. Vivillon, Dugong, and Ghastly and Shinpiao. Okay, last pack. Last pack magic. No. Okay. Spinner Arc. When am I going to learn that doesn't work? Spitzy. Putting it here. Doublade. Alucha. Another Pokopad. Nice. Let's put that on the wacky window. Barbarcle. Aromatus. Rose's Encouragement. Shaman. And we're ending off with a Tyranitar. Okay. Hopefully our left side will be better than this, but we did get some cool cards like Mega Clefable EX, Auroras, Lapras, Yveltal EX, they're like brothers. Yo, what's up, bro? And Mega Skarmory EX. Okay. Let's put these back in the corner because we're not done the corner. We still have this side. Make sure to like and subscribe so I get my luck back. And like, subscribe because Spupa told you to. Look at that. He's so cute. Look at those eyes. Anyway. Alright. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.